In this episode of Strategy Idiots Computer Repair, I show you how to access command prompt mode in PowerShell. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to open up command prompt using terminal or secure shell, as they say in Windows. So what I'm going to do here, right, terminal. They call this terminal or oh God. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to open up command prompt through terminal. So we're going to open terminal up. So I type terminal app. There we go. So once this opens up, they call it PowerShell. Even though it's terminal, it does say Windows PowerShell. Okay, so there we go. So if you don't know this code, what you would normally do is go into here and type command prompt, and you would open it up that way. But you could do it through PowerShell. So you do Alright, as you see here, it went from PS space C to C/users/test. This is the first time I'm using this command. So basically what happens is since I typed CMD, basically I just turned PowerShell into command prompt is basically what I did. So now if I type exit, it goes back to PS space C user, so I'll do CMD again. And there we go. So I'm back in the command prompt. So dir, there we go. So I'm in. So if I do dir, so there we go. So basically what happens with this is basically it doesn't open it up. It converts PowerShell into the command prompt. And then when you type exit, it goes back to being PowerShell. So basically, you wouldn't even need command prompt. All you would need is this, because once you hit CMD, it converts it over. So now, let me see if this works. Alright, there we go. So this will work. So let's do color A. This will work. So you can change the color of the letters, but you have to be in command prompt mode. Oops. There we go. So this will work on PowerShell, but you have to be in command prompt mode. So that still works. So all the command prompt commands will work in PowerShell as long as you're in command prompt mode. So if I exit, it won't work. As it says, the term color is not recognizing the name of cmd function script file. So once you exit out, the command prompt functions will stop working, which is really cool. This is really cool. So we'll go back. We're in. We're out. So, anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.